Hello student, I hope you understood the three method to find the mean, and also I got the good response from you. Today in this lecture I will explain you how to find the unknown frequency. In previous sum we have to find the mean, but in this type of sum the mean is given, but there is a one unknown frequency is given. This is the third question of exercise 14.1. Okay, so I will explain you how to find the unknown frequency. I will do this sum by step deviation method. तो आपने देखा कि भी ये जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें आपको मीन दे रखा है, मीन इज गिवन बट देयर इज नो फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वी मेक अ टेबल क्लास फ्रीक्वेंसी. So class and frequency, class from 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and 23 to 25. The frequency are here 7, 6, 9, 13, F, a non-frequency, 5 and 4. So first we make the column of xi. Xi means central value, mean value. How to find mean value? We already know that lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 11 plus 13, 24 divided by 2 means 12. And here the lower limit is 11 and our first xi is 12. So there is a difference of 1. So each and every time we add the 1 to the lower limit, then we will easily get the xi. 13 plus 1, that means 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. After then we make a column of ui. If we find the mean, then we suppose any xi as a, but for the unknown frequency sum, if f or unknown frequency is given, then the xi in front of this unknown frequency we suppose as a. तो इस टाइप के सम में आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि अननोन फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको दे रखी है, तो अननोन फ्रीक्वेंसी के सामने वाला जो xi है उसी को ही आपको a की तरह सपोज करना है. पहले क्या होता था, मीन अपने फाइंड करते थे तो मैंने आपको ये बताया था कि भी xi आप किसी को भी ले सकते थे, पर तब सारे फ्रीक्वेंसी आपको दे रखे थे. बट यहाँ पे अननोन फ्रीक्वेंसी है तो उसके लिए फिक्स रहेगा कि f के सामने वाला जो xi है उसी को ही आपको क्या है a की तरह सपोज करना है. नाउ और जिसको आपने a सपोज किया है तो उसके सामने आपको क्या लेना है 0, देन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर -1, -2, -3, -4 and 1 and 2 like this. Now next column we will make for fi and ui. Fi, ui. So 7 4s are 28, 6 3s are -18, 9 2s are -18, 13 1s are -30, f zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5 and 4 2s are 8. Now according to the step deviation method, we have a formula of mean like x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon n multiplied by h. A assumed mean, sigma fi ui we already make a column. We will find this answer by adding the fi ui, sigma fi ui. So first we total the negative values, minus 28, minus 18, minus 18 and minus 30. So 24, 27, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have a negative 77 and 5 plus 8, 13. 5 plus 8, 13. So positive 13. So positive 13 and negative 77. Then the answer will be 7 minus 3 means 4. 7 minus 1 means 6. So we will get minus 64. And we will find n by adding this. Now here f is unknown frequency, so it is like a variable, so we add separately and add the number given here 7, 6, 13, 22, 35, 40, 44. So 44 plus f, n will be 44 plus f, and sigma fi ui is equal to minus 64. And last we will find h. H means class size. So therefore h is equal to class size. We can find from any class. 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. You can see that at each and every class there is a class size will be 2, because 13 minus 11 2, 15 minus 13 equal to 2. So we have a equal class size. So we use the state deviation method. So we have a sigma fi ui and h. Substitute all the value in the formula. Now in unknown frequencies question, mean is already given. So we have a mean 18. So in place of x bar we put here 18. A here is 20 plus sigma fi ui, which is minus 64, and 44 plus f. 44 plus f multiply by h. The class size is 2. So take 20 in left side. So 18, when 20 comes in the left side, the positive value become negative. So 18 minus 20 is equal to minus 64 divided by 44 plus f मल्टीप्लाई 2. ठीक है, याद रखना है जो a की वैल्यू है उसको सबसे पहले आप क्या है अपने पास में जो ये लेफ्ट साइड लेके आओगे, हमेशा ये ध्यान रखना है, और सामने जो कैलकुलेशन है वो इजी करना है आपको. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट you will get minus 2 from here. Now what happened? 64 2s are, because there is no any cancellation here. So 64 2s are minus 128 upon 44 plus f. Now here there is no any number, so we apply the cross by putting 1 here. There is no any number, so we can put the denominator 1. Now we apply the cross multiplication. Now, so we multiply minus 2 with 44 plus f is equal to 1 is multiplied by minus 128. Okay, multiply minus 2 with this. 44 2s are minus 88 plus -2 into f. So we will get -2f. But positive and negative, it's become negative. And 128 ones are -128. Now -2f is equal to, we have to find the frequency, so we take -88 on the right hand side, so it is negative, it becomes the positive value. So -128 plus 88. So therefore -2f is equal to positive and negative, so we subtract it. 8 minus 8 0, 12 8 40, and negative value is bigger, so we put here minus. So therefore f is equal to -40 -2, जो डिवाइड में चले जाएगा अपने पास में, -2 माइनस माइनस कैंसल, so 2 20s are 20. So we will get the answer 20. Okay, so in this way we can find the unknown frequency. ये एक टाइप का सम है, ऐसा दूसरा टाइप भी एक दे रखा है अपने बाद में, उसमें आपको क्या रहेगा अपने बाद में, जैसे यहाँ पे एक ही अननोन फ्रीक्वेंसी है, पर नेक्स्ट सम में अपने देखेंगे भी उसमें 2 अननोन फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी. देयर आर 2 अननोन फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो हाउ टू फाइंड, वी सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके.